MetaTrader or MT5 or MT4, which is a very popular app and is known by every forex trader. So if you are looking for how to link your Exness account to your MetaTrader app, this video I've got you covered. All you have to do is to watch this video and follow it step by step, and at the end you'll be able to link your Exness account to your MT5 trader app. So let's get started. To link your Exness account to your MT5 app, make sure you have the latest version of MetaTrader 5 or MT4. You can download it from Play Store or your App Store on iPhone. So this video will work for both Android and iPhone. So log into your Exness account and then click on Details. So under Details, there are tabs above here. Click on Settings and you will see the details of your account. So here are the details. Here is my login. So one of the first things you need to do in order to link your Exness account to your MT5 is to change trading password or create trading password. So when I click on here now, I'll be asked to enter a password or to choose a password that I'm going to use. So here, just choose your preferred password as your trading password. It will be different from the password that you use to log in with your Exness. So just choose your trading password or create one. But if you already have, there is no need and you know it. But if you have forgotten it, just create a new one here. An OTP will be sent to your phone, and just input the code after inputting the password, and your password or trading password will be created. So I have my password already, so I will not be creating a new one. But this is one of the first things you need to do in order to link your Exness to your MT5. So now let's go back. So here you pay attention to this, the server that you are currently on. Look at the server that you are currently on is Exness MT5 real 10. That's the server. Then the login, this is my login, and this is the server that I'm currently on. Then the password is the password you created. These are the three things you need to log in on your MT5 or MT4 app. So now there are a few ways to link your Exness to your MT5. There are two ways. So click on your profile here. Click on your profile and then tap on this sprocket icon here. So here you will see trading terminal. Inside this trading terminal, you will see the list of trading terminals that are available on the Exness app. So you can use Trading View built-in MetaTrader 5. That's the MetaTrader 5 that will be inside your Exness. That you don't need to exit the Exness. Like Exness app has its own inbuilt MetaTrader 5. So this one is MetaTrader 5 app. So since you want to link it and you want to be using MT5 app, just click on this MT5 app. But I don't think this process will work for MT4. So I'll still show you a way to link it to MT4. So I've selected this MetaTrader 5 app now, and I will go back. So let me go back. So if I click on markets now, no, trade. If I click on trade, you will see, okay, let me choose gold. If I click on gold now, I'll be taken to sign into my MT5 app. So now the MT5 app, since I know my password, I just have to click save password so that I will not be asked to log in anytime I want to trade from my Exness app. So I'll just enter my password. Let me enter my password now. So I've entered my password. So now let me sign in. So let's watch and see. So as you can see, I've signed in. So I'm now inside my MT5 app. So that is how to link your Exness to your MT5 app. As you can see, the balance here is the same balance in my Exness app, as you can see. So another way to do this is to go back to my MT5 now. That is if you are using MT4. Follow this process. So let me click on manage account. Then click on this plus icon here. There you will see the option to find broker. So you can use it to search for your broker. If you don't see the Exness there already, just use this option that says find broker and search for Exness. Then choose. So I will not be searching that because I already have the Exness. Yes, I'll just have to click on it. So here I'll be asked to enter my login. This process is if you are using MT4. So just copy the login from your Exness, input it here, then the trading password that you created, and then make sure you choose this right server. Okay, like here I have MT5 real 10. So let me choose this now, and let me go to my Exness and copy my details. Let me go to home, details, and then settings, and then here is the login. Let me copy it and then let me input the login here. Paste. No, I pasted in the wrong place. Let me paste. Now let me input my password. So I've input my password. So now I'll click on login. So I'm successfully logged in. So this is the process you have to follow if you are using MT4. So when I click on trade now, as you can see, the account is on. So here is quotes where you can add pairs that you want to be trading on. When you click this plus, then you look for the pairs that you want to be trading on. So that is all on how to link your Exness account to MT5 or MT4 trader app. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question or you are still finding it difficult to link your Exness account to your MT Trader app, please drop it in the comment section or contact me. I'll be glad to help you. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.